Hi, I'm now going to cover the topic of a full smart HD satellite receiver and satellite dish kit. So we're selling this just to convenience to customers as a single kit, and I'll just show you first of all where to find it on the tvtrade.ie website. Just click on the home page, click on the DIY section, and then there's subcategories here. Click on satellite TV kits, and then you can see as a single kit we're selling the HD receiver along with the satellite dish, which is the same, a Sky satellite dish, but it's ideal for free-to-air installs. Okay. So you can see here anyway. From the general website, you can just see an overview. It gives videos of how to install it, user manuals, installation steps, and things like this. So coming down anyway, the Sky satellite dish comes with a single LMB, so it's suitable only for one receiver. You could of course change this out for a quad, which would feed up to 4 boxes, or an octa, which would feed up to 8 satellite receivers. It all comes with a bracket which is mounted on the wall, and of course this is an essential part of the satellite kit. It comes as a single piece. Okay, just move this satellite dish out of the way to make room so we can actually look at the satellite receiver. So I'll open up the satellite receiver here. You can see anyway, the first thing that you'll see when you open it is a channel list here. Now every satellite receiver that we sell on the TV Trade website has exactly the same channel list. The only exception being that obviously only the high definition channels are available on the high definition boxes. So the first 76 channels on this list are standard definition. So all the main things like the BBCs, the ITVs, Channel 4, things like this. And in terms of the high definition, not a huge amount of free channels on high definition currently, but this will change. So currently we have Lux TV HD, which is not a particularly great channel, BBC HD, which is quite excellent, and ITV HD, which is excellent for sport, and also the World Cup will be on this summer. So if we proceed then and we take the box out, to see on the back of what comes with it, there's a user manual that comes with it. Now the user manual that comes with this is actually in German, but there's a very, very detailed help on site and videos for all these different sections, and in the future we will have the manual in English as well. So there's an on-off switch on this box, there's a SCART output, there is a USB port which is used for quick programming of the box, and also very useful for connecting an external hard drive. So this box is totally PVR ready, and also we have a feed in and a HDMI lead to allow with all the things like the EPG and that, but also pause, rewind and record facilities on the box. So literally once you click an external hard drive onto the box, the PVR facilities will immediately become available, so you can use the recording facilities on it. So that's basically it, the main points on it. Now the possible pieces of equipment you could buy in addition to this, well, one essential piece of equipment that we sell as a separate item simply because people might have cables and bolts things already, would be a satellite installation kit. So if we look here on the website, you can see the satellite installation kit. It just comes with plugs and bolts still out of the dish to be mounted on the wall. It comes with 20 meters of satellite cable, and also we'll say clips and connectors to allow the box and dish to be connected together. Okay, and then the final item that we could possibly use in addition to this would be what's sold on the website here, which is a 2.5-inch portable hard drive. It actually comes with 250 gigs. We've fully tested this hard drive and it works perfectly with all of the satellite receivers we things. I'd reckon in the region of about 200 hours of TV recordable. It does depend somewhat whether you're recording high definition or standard definition in terms of the capacity, in terms of hours, what you can store on your disk. And that's very, very much click and play. You can reformat the hard drive when you put it on with it, but even if you don't, it will work immediately. The format is FAT32. So that's it in entirety. You've seen the main area of the satellite dish in the box, and also the two possible add-ons of the installation kit and the hard drive. And that's from beginning to end the Smart HD satellite receiver and satellite dish kit.